Welcome to our ethical hacking course. Are you interested in the world of hacking and cybersecurity but have no prior knowledge? No need to worry. This course is designed entirely for beginners and does not require any previous experience. Whether you want to do this for professional growth to enhance your skills or simply out of curiosity, you are in the right place. In this course, we will introduce you to the key concepts, techniques, and tools used by cybersecurity experts. We will start with the basics and then gradually move on to more advanced techniques. So let's find out what you will learn in this course. Course breakdown. Introduction to ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking and why is it so important in today's world? Networking. The basics of networking, which are essential for hacking and system security. Footprinting. Gathering information about the target system and identifying weaknesses. Google hacking. Using Google search to find hidden information and vulnerabilities. Scanning. Techniques for scanning systems to detect security flaws. System hacking. Learn how attackers exploit vulnerabilities to gain access to systems and data. Hacking mobile platforms. Step into the world of mobile security and learn how Android and iOS devices can be hacked. Malware threats. Understanding different types of malicious software and their impact on systems. SQL injection. What are SQL injections and how attackers exploit database vulnerabilities? Cross-site scripting. How hackers inject malicious scripts through XSS and steal data. In addition, we will discuss 13 topics such as denial of service, session hijacking, penetration testing, buffer overflow, cryptography, evading IDS, firewalls and honeypots, intrusion detection systems, hacking web servers, hacking wireless networks, physical security, reverse engineering, email hacking, incident handling, and computer forensics, and we will also provide practical demonstrations alongside. You can see all the details in the course description, tools and live demonstrations. In this course, you will get access to more than 100 tools and ebooks. Additionally, we will provide live demonstrations so that you can learn how to use these tools in real-world scenarios. After completing the course, you will be able to acquire all these skills. An understanding of ethical hacking and cybersecurity, the ability to identify vulnerabilities in systems and applications, securing networks, databases and devices from attacks, performing penetration testing using hacking tools, and taking necessary precautions to protect against cyber threats. So if you're ready to learn about hacking and cybersecurity, this course is perfect for you. Let's begin this exciting journey and step into the world of ethical hacking. Ready to start your hacking journey? Let's go. This course is for educational and ethical purposes only. All hacking demonstrations and techniques for improving cybersecurity should only be applied to authorized systems. Unauthorized access is illegal and punishable under cyber laws. The instructor and platform are not responsible for misuse in this course. Thank you.